Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to day one of this 7-day meditation challenge. My name is Amber, and I will be your guide for this experience. So go ahead and find a comfortable position for practice today, sitting upright, maybe on the couch or cross-legged on the floor. And take a few moments here to settle in, starting with your eyes open. And take some time to slowly cast your eyes around the room where you are, not focusing on any one thing, but just slowly taking in your environment. You might gently turn your head to the left and right. Let your gaze wander up to the ceiling and down to the floor. And as you do so, go ahead and take a few nice deep breaths. Inhaling deeply through the nose and exhaling slowly through the nose or mouth. And as you breathe, continue to take in the objects in the room, the shapes, and the colors, the quality of the light. And gradually we'll return to center. And when you're ready, gently closing the eyes. Starting to become aware of the breath. Noticing wherever the feeling is most prominent for you. Maybe you feel it at the tip of the nose, where the air flows in and out. Or perhaps the breath is strongest in your chest, where the lungs fill and empty with air. Watching as your chest rises and falls with each breath. And as you continue to breathe, see if you can slowly begin to relax the body. Relax the muscles of the jaw. Relax the eyebrows. Feel your shoulders drop down away from the ears. And the feeling of your left and right hands resting in your lap. Feeling your hips and seat heavy against the seat beneath you. And feeling your feet, your toes. Just taking this time to check in with yourself, potentially for the very first time today. How are you today? As best as you can, simply noticing without judgment and without needing to fix anything. Noticing how it is in the body right now. If there are any strong sensations that are immediately jumping out to you. Perhaps you may notice if there are any sounds that you can hear, some which may be familiar, perhaps some unfamiliar. Opening yourself up to whatever can be heard right now. Watching as each sound comes and goes in its own time. Continuing to tune in to how things are with you right now. Starting to slowly scan through the body from the top of the head, gradually moving downwards towards the toes. Just noticing any areas of tension or discomfort, as well as any areas that feel soft or at ease. And if you find that the mind wanders off, just gently bring your attention back to the body as you continue to scan downwards towards the toes. And as we come close to the end of our day one meditation, let's return from our tour of the body to the breath. Coming back to the gentle flow of each inhale, followed by an exhale. Aware of the sensation of the chest rising and falling. And we'll end with a moment of open awareness. Just a few seconds of watching, observing whatever is here in the present moment. Just noticing how you feel. All right, my friend, very slowly, whenever you're ready, Gently open the eyes. Bring a little movement back into the body. Maybe wiggling the fingers and the toes. Feel free to really take your time here. Very, very well done today. And I'll see you back here tomorrow for day 2.